What's up, y'all? Today we are making elotes in a bowl, or commonly known as the elotes in a cup, corn in a cup, or Mexican street corn. Ingredients are going to vary depending on what you want to include on your corn, but feel free to check the description box for what I used. So we're going to get started by pouring our corn into a medium-sized pot. Feel free to use canned, fresh, or frozen corn if that's what you have. Now add 1/2 cup of water to the pot, or just enough to cover the bottom. Now add about a tablespoon or 2 of butter. Cook on high for about 5 to 6 minutes until it starts to boil or steam. So while the corn cooks, I'm gonna go ahead and prep my chips. Today I'm using a Ziploc bag and rolling pin, but feel free to use a processor if that's what you have. The size of the Cheeto crumbs are gonna vary, but I like mine in super small chunks right before it turns into like a fine powder. All right, so now let's check on our corn. Our corn is all steamed and ready to go, so let's go ahead and put it all together. I have everything I'm using laid out, and I'm gonna scoop about half of my corn into the bottom of my bowl, or a cup if you decided to use a cup. Now it's up to you how you really want to layer everything, but after my corn, I'm gonna go ahead and go with some squeezable butter. I'm also using Cotija Mexican style cheese. If you prefer, you can use mozzarella cheese instead. Y'all, if I'm butchering these words, please correct my Spanish, as I don't really know how to pronounce them, but I'm trying the best that I can. Alright, so next is 2 tablespoons of mayo. I like using this Hispanic mayo because it's infused with lime, and I think it tastes a lot better, but you could also use regular mayo or sub it for like a cream. Now after that, top it with as much hot Cheeto crumbs as you like, and then finally pour in your favorite hot sauce. I'm using some chile habanero hot sauce today. So if this first set is enough for you, then go ahead and stop at this point and you're good to go. But I'm gonna give everything one more layer to top off my bowl. All right, so same as before, pouring all of your corn. I'm gonna top it with the squeezable butter, a few handfuls of the Cotija cheese, and I like a lot of cheese, so don't judge me. All right, another 2 tablespoons of mayo, and make sure to spread it around a bit. So I'm gonna dump the rest of my hot Cheeto crumbs into the bowl, and again top it off with some hot sauce. If you like this recipe so far and are interested in more, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you click the bell to turn on your video notifications. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all for the next video.